The most effective method to lose weight on soup diets. You might have the option to use an assortment of soup diets to assist you with losing overabundance weight. There are various sorts of diets that are soup-based. Some soup eats fewer carbs, for example, the cabbage soup diet, advanced present moment, quick weight reduction. Notwithstanding, other soup-based eating regimens can be followed longer term since the subsequent weight reduction is all the more moderate and slow. Following the prescribed rules may permit you to lose a portion of your overabundance weight. Survey the various kinds of soup, counts calories, and pick the one that is generally proper for you. Beginning a soup-based diet. Talk to your primary care physician. Beginning any Get Healthy plan, it's optimal to see your primary care physician first. They'll have the option to audit any eating routine plans you have and inform you as to whether they are all right for you. Inform your PCP concerning your ideal weight reduction, nourishment, and exercise plan. Inquire as to whether this will be sheltered and fitting for your present well-being conditions. Inquire as to whether they have any weight reduction tips for you. They might have the option to furnish with certain assets to help bolster your weight reduction. Meet with an enlisted dietitian. Another well-being expert to meet with is an enlisted dietitian. These sustenance experts will have the option to manage you towards your weight reduction. Discover a dietitian whose primary center is weight reduction. Educate them regarding your objectives and musings on your soup-based eating regimen plan. The dietitian may likewise have the option to assist you with reviewing feast plans, or show you how to peruse marks to ensure you're picking solid soups. Set sensible objectives. With any weight reduction plan, it's useful to set objectives for yourself. These present moment and long-haul plans can help keep you propelled all through your weight reduction. Attempt to make your objectives sensible. Losing enormous amounts of weight rapidly is likely not sensible. Likewise, ensure you're being sensible about to what extent you can follow your eating regimen and exercise plan. On the off chance that you have one long-haul objective, like a bigger weight reduction sum, set littler, all the more momentary objectives paving the way to it. Review a dinner plan. Reviewing a particular week-after-week supper plan can assist you with adhering to your eating routine and result in weight reduction. Pick a particular eating regimen to follow first. This will assist you in making sense of what to incorporate or what to keep separate from your feast plan. Scribble down notes for a whole 7-day stretch of suppers. Incorporate breakfast, lunch, supper, tidbits, and beverages. It might likewise be useful to review a relating basic food item rundown to assist you with remaining on track at the store. Following a canned soup diet for weight loss. Peruse the food names. At the point when you're buying any bundled or canned food, it's basic to survey the food mark first. This will let you know precisely what's in your food and if it's fitting for your eating regimen. Audit the calories per serving. Contingent upon what diet you're following or on the off chance that you have a set calorie limit, ensure you buy a canned soup that fits in with your objective. Keep in mind, many canned soups appear one serving, however, are commonly a few servings for every can. Pick lower sodium choices if conceivable. Many canned soups are famously high in sodium. Search for low sodium soups. They might be bundled as low sodium, heart sound, or solid decision. Many of these choices have up to 50% less sodium. Additionally, audit the fixing list. Many soup organizations are attempting to have increasingly normal, less prepared fixings. Audit the name to see precisely what sorts of nourishments are utilized in your canned soup. Trade 1 to 2 suppers for canned soup. Depending on what specific eating routine you're following, or how you need to plan your own soup-based eating regimen, trade out a couple of your suppers for soup. Numerous individuals decide to have canned soup for lunch and supper. These are the simplest and most reasonable suppers to have soup. Trading out 2 suppers for soup may bring about faster weight reduction as your all-out everyday calories might be lower. In any case, this relies upon what soups you pick and what number of calories they are. Pick stock-based soups. At the point when you're in the market, you'll see an assortment of canned soups. Stick to stock-based soups for your diet. Stock is low in calories and fat. These kinds of soups ordinarily are likewise lower in calories and fat. Attempt to avoid velvety soups, bisque, or chowders. These might be higher in fat and calories because of cream or margarine that is utilized in the cooking process. Pick a soup that has at any rate 3 grams of fiber. A higher fiber soup is a superior decision contrasted with low fiber soups. They may keep you full more and are better for your digestion. Audit the name for the absolute fiber. It's recorded under starches on the Sustenance Certainty Board. Ensure you modify the number as per what number of servings you're having. Soups that are made with lentils, beans, and vegetables will ordinarily contain more fiber. Fiber is a basic piece of a nutritious eating routine. It might assist you with feeling fulfilled longer and forestalls blockage and colorectal cancers. Search for brands with low-calorie or sound forms. Many soup organizations today are structuring soup abstains from food for their strong lines of more beneficial soups. Commonly, this unique line will have lower calories, lower fat, and lower sodium per serving contrasted with their normal lines of soup. Each brand will have its own name for its more advantageous soups. They might be recorded as low-calorie, heart-solid, shrewd decision, or sound decision. Have a nutritious breakfast. At the point when you're following a canned soup diet, you're in all likelihood not supplanting breakfast with soup. In case you're not, plan a nutritious, diet-accommodating feast to keep you on target with your weight reduction. It's commonly prescribed to have a high-protein, high-fiber breakfast. Both protein and fiber keep you feeling fulfilled longer and will bolster your weight loss. Instances of high-protein, high-fiber morning meals include 1 entire grain waffle with 1 tablespoon almond spread and 1/2 banana, 3/4 cup of oats with dried products of the soil, 2 fried eggs with sautéed vegetables and low-fat cheddar, or 1 cup of curds and natural product.